pull it down. And let's go to a wireframe. Take a look at this. So in theory, you should see one set of lines for the threads, because they should be right on top of each other. Okay? No matter how far you pull it up, they should always match up. So that's good there. Go back to shaded. And now then, we can set a height and constrain the bottom. Of this surface to the top of the stand. That gets that good. So let's go back to my front view. Now I want this to be lined up right in the center. Okay, we're back after having worked out some more stuff. All right, you notice we got the subassembly inserted in. We've got an axial mate, the transitional mate of the threads, and the mate of the top and bottom surface that holds it together. The problem being, we look at our front view, the holes going through here do not line up with the front view of the surface. So to make some changes to that, we're going to go back into our subassembly right here. I've got my two surface planes turned on. They're both XY. And I want to do an angular constraint of 0 degrees to get those together. So let's go angular 1, 0 degrees. Choose that surface plane and that plane. All right. And we use an angular because we're going to edit that angle in just a moment. So we'll OK that. Go back to our main assembly. Kind of refresh our graphics a little bit. Now you notice it changed. Okay, but things are still lined up down below. We'll go into wireframe, take a look at our threads. Threads look good. So now let's measure the angle between those two. So we'll pull our measuring tool up, choose angle. We'll go from this plane to that plane. 7.2 degrees is the way mine works out. Okay, so let's go back into here. Now yours may be different, maybe 7.2, maybe a little different. You just have to measure it and see what it is. So where we constrain these together at 0 degrees, let's change that to 7.2. And then pop back over to here, refresh our graphics. All right, it went the opposite direction, so we need to go to a negative 7.2. Go back to our assembly, refresh our graphics. The hole lines up with the front view. Let's check our wireframe. Threads still look good. All right, and so that's how we're going to assemble the actual screw with the stand and the base. The top portion, once you put it on, you'll just need to constrain it. Normally you can use your XY planes with the base of the jack stand so that you get a good cross-sectional view of the grooves that are cut in it. And that should be all the videos you need. Everything else has been done previously for this assignment. Be sure and read the instructions for what to submit and how to submit it. Thank you very much.